Hey folks, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you a little WordPress hack that's used for allowing you to manage your blog posts much easier so that you can reorder images and put them in the correct order in a much simpler way. So let's go ahead and create a new blog post. And as I said, we're going to use the WordPress gallery shortcode. This method allows you to insert all the blog posts, then drag and drop them into order. It is often the case with WordPress if you're inserting them normally and they're not in the right order, they go to the reverse order. It's very difficult to then go and edit all of those, and it's quite time consuming. So let's go ahead and add the title. And then next we're just going to add the media. And what we can do here is over on the left side, you see there's an option for create gallery. And with this then we can select a number of images. And as you can see, all the images are now here at the bottom. And again, you can just go create a new gallery. And with this, you can actually drag and drop them into order. You can set the number of columns. In our case, we were going to set 1. And you don't need an attachment page. You can actually hit 0 or none. And of course, then choose a size, full size, and then go ahead and insert that into the page. So that's how you create a simple way to manage your posts. If you wanted to go and edit the order, you can simply click it. It will be a WordPress gallery. If you're in the text view, all you will see is the IDs for the different images. In the visual view, of course, it will actually list them out. You can just click the edit pencil, drag and drop them into any order that you would like, and it makes it very simple. Again, if they've been uploaded in the incorrect order, so the reverse order, you can actually reverse the entire order by hitting this button and just update the gallery. So again, it's sort of a little WordPress hack for your site, and it will give you a really easy way then to create and manage the images within your blog posts.